Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a video GIF with InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open a project I have created, and this is my project. This is the video I'm going to make a GIF. And if you want to make a video GIF with this video, we can export this video as a GIF. Just click on the save button. Then here on the format, we can select the GIF option. Oops. Click on this GIF option. Then now as you can see that the format has been changed and we're going to export this video as a GIF. Just click on the save. Then you have to wait until the exporting process has completed. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to check it in my gallery. I'm going to open my gallery application. Then where is it? Wait guys, I'm going to search for it. Okay, this one. So this is the video GIF I have just created with my InShot application. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video GIF with InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.